संस्कार का है। और आज विशेष करके विश्व में महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म की जो बाढ़ बहा वह सब भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज के आज संन्यास
Today is a very special day because today is Sannyas Day of Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, who spread Krishna consciousness all over the world, and also today is Vishwarup Mahotsav. So Swami Maharaj, he was staying in Mathura in our temple, and he served so much the magazine in Hindi of Gurudev.
उनको भी प्रोत्साहित किया था।
So Gurudev, he inspired him to take sannyas. Srila Gurudev Salnarayan Maharaj inspired him to take sannyas.
और श्रील परम गुरु महाराज श्री भक्त प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज
And also Srila Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, when he came to Mathura temple,
तब उस समय श्रील गुरुदेव
Salnarayan Goswami Maharaj,
श्रील भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज ने अभय चरण दे उनको बहुत उत्साह
he
आप सन्यास ग्रहण करें।
inspired so much.
वे सन्यास लेना
So
नहीं
Srila
चाहते
Maharaj to take sannyas.
श्रील गुरुदेव
Srila Swami Maharaj did not want to take sannyas, but Srila Gurudeva, many times he
और उन्होंने आज के दिन ही
and
मथुरा में केशव जी गौड़े
today Keshavaji Gauriya Math, in that day of today, he took sannyas in Mathura in Keshavaji Gauriya Math.
और उन्होंने विश्व में महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म को प्रचार
And then he preached all the Mahaprabhu
विदेश
Prema
में
Dharma, philosophy of love, religion of love of Mahaprabhu in the whole world. Whatever preaching is going on in the Western countries,
ध्वजा
this flag of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism, that is like a
ये उनकी विशेष अवदान माना जाता है।
flag of Gaudiya Vaishnava, which is like all over the world, is actually the contribution of Swami Maharaj. Srila Gurudeva used to say that Swami Maharaj,
और शक्ति उसमें
he has the Shakti and the mercy of Mahaprabhu. He's like Shakti Avishavatar of
उसमें आवेश
of Mahaprabhu. Swami Maharaj is a Shakti Avishavatar of
सारा
Mahaprabhu.
विश्व के जो
That's why he could preach in all over the world.
नाम संकीर्तन के
The Nama
द्वारा
Sankirtan.
डुबाया।
And he immersed all the world
उसी
in
कड़ी
Nama Sankirtan.
चलती आ रही धारा जो प्रवाह इसलिए
That's why
सभी लोग उनके निकट
Everyone.
से ऋणी भी है।
we are indebted to Swami Maharaj, Srila Swami Maharaj. We're indebted to him.
और आज विशेष करके
And today especially also,
विश्वरूप गौरव संस्कार
it's
ही
called
माना
the
जाता है।
Vishwarup Kaura Samskar.
प्रातः काल में भी आज हम वर्णन किया या चैतन्य महाप्रभु के
So
बड़े भाई
we're saying
विश्वरूप
how the older brother of Mahaprabhu called Vishwarup,
सन्यास लेकर के
he took sannyas
और दक्षिण देश में गए।
and then he went to the south of India.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु ही सन्यास लेकर के जब जगन्नाथपुरी में पधारे
Mahaprabhu also
फिर
after taking
जगन्नाथपुर
sannyas,
के
he went
पश्चात
to
चैतन्य
Jagannath Puri.
महाप्रभु दक्षिण देश के विजय
And then after going to Jagannath Puri, Mahaprabhu wanted to conquer like South India, to go to South India. And then after that,
कौन से गांव
Mahaprabhu came
भीमा नदी के तट पर
to the banks of the Bhima Nadi. This name before.
पांडुरपुर
Pandabur. What did I say? Pandabur.
पांडुपुर में जब यहाँ पर
So when he
पहुंचे,
came to this place,
तब
then
वहाँ के लोग माँ बोले ये आज के दिन ही
the people told, oh, this day of today, people told Mahaprabhu
उन्होंने
that
अपने अंतर्ध्यान लीला दी।
his brother had disappeared.
यह सुनकर के चैतन्य
After
महाप्रभु
listening to this,
लोग
Mahaprabhu,
रीति के
according to the
अनुसार
rituals of this world, of the people, society, and
गौरव कार्य आदि
he shaved his head.
इसलिए वास्तव रूप में हरिभक्ति विलास
So
के
actually, according to
अनुसार
the Hari Bhakti Vilas,
4 महीने तक
for 4 months of Chaturmasya,
व्रत करना
you
चाहिए।
should have the vow called Chaturmasya Vrat.
हरिभक्ति विलास में अनेकों
In the
कठिन
Hari
कठिन
Bhakti Vilasa, it explains so many difficult and like very difficult
और उसमें
rules.
सनातन गोस्वामी पाद
And Santana
वो
Goswami
भी
Pada
लिखते हैं
also he wrote in this book
कि निरपेक्ष वैष्णव के लिए
that for a Nirapeksha Vaishnava,
ये मेरा
oh sorry,
नियम
he
लागू
said that these
नहीं है।
rules they're not to be followed to Nirapeksha Vaishnavas.
संपूर्ण
Means those Vaishnavas were completely given up completely all the family things and mundane things
लागू नहीं है।
and only serve Lord. These rules are not for
नियम तो
them.
लागू उसमें जो लोग
The
वर्णाश्रम
rules
धर्म में
are
बंधे
for
हैं।
them who are binded by Varnashram Dharma. the rules are to be followed by them, especially brahmacharis, grihasthis, vanaprasthas. They should follow very hardly all these chaturmasya rules and all these rules. So, but the sannyasa, what to do then? What will he do? Actually, the rules are not for sannyasi people. Why? Because the sannyasi is completely nirapeksha from this world, like detached from this world. He doesn't have anything to do with anything in the world. He just maintains his body like doing madhukari, means asking for donation and some whatever he gets, he just accepts whatever he gets and understand. When he's doing the bhiksha, he's begging. Then he goes somewhere and whatever he gets, he takes, he accepts. In the Bhagavad Gita also God said about sannyasa dharma that the sannyasa should be niragni, means that the sannyasa should not eat anything which is cooked. Sannyasa should not eat anything like which goes on the fire, you know. So he should not cook also, sannyasis. Wherever he goes, he just takes some fruit or some root, whatever food, and that's why it says like sannyasi, they're always moving, you know, like the water, like the flow of the water. The flow of the water. If there's some damp in the way of the water, like obstacle, the water later is like finds another way and just continues. So the saints is also they're also like this. They are not to take or give anything in this world. Whatever he gets, something, and he takes. If he didn't get anything, then just continue. According to the food he gets, and whatever place he stays, he just stays there. But the system slowly changed. The system changed slowly. Understand? Because according to the everything depends on the desh kal, like means place, circumstance, and time. But still, Mahaprabhu, he showed to these people in this world these 4 ashrams. What are the 4 ashrams? Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyas. The Sannyas ashram is the highest ashram. Highest ashram is Sannyas. They are highest people. So this look of Bhagavad Gita also says, in the Gita Bhagavan says that whatever a senior person do, whatever he does, the junior people, they'll follow his behavior, like they'll follow the behavior of the senior person. So for example, the highest person is the sannyas. So whatever the sannyas will do, the grihasthas and brahmacharis others will follow his example. So actually the Chaturmasya Vrata also, the sannyasa should also follow the Chaturmasya Vrata. Understand? So this is the thing. First said, oh no, okay, brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha, they should do. The sannyasi don't need, very nice, don't need to follow. But then coming back, just round, oh, but you're the highest, if you don't follow, people also not follow, so you also have to follow. Very clever, no? There's not any way for you to be free from the taxes, you know? Somehow they'll come to you and then take the tax from you somehow. It's like example, like some analogy. So this is what I'm saying. First said, okay, no, sannyas don't need to follow this. This is only for the 3 ashrams, other 3. But then round, like coming round, like you said, oh, but look, you're highest people, the sannyasi. So if you don't follow, like if the guru doesn't chant holy names, the disciple also not chants. Gurudeva, you're not chanting, why will I chant all names?
गुरु कहेंगे मैं तो
The Guru
स्मरण
says,
करता हूँ,
I'm just remembering Smaran.
ऐसे अष्टकाल लीला स्मरण करता हूँ।
I'm remembering Astakaliya
शिष्य
Leela.
कहेंगे
But the
मैं
disciple
अपने
says,
लीला स्मरण करता
okay,
हूँ।
I'll remember my own Leelas. I will also remember my own pastimes.
आप कृष्ण के अष्टकाल लीला
You
स्मरण
remember
करते हो, मैं
Krishna's
अपना ही
pastimes,
करता हूँ।
Astakaliya Leela,
वो
and also
आजकल
can
वो मोबाइल
remember
है ना,
my
अष्टकाल
Leela.
लीला उसमें
Like in
चलते
the
रहते
mobile, my mobile is my Astakaliya Leela
हैं।
I'm
अरे नहीं,
remembering. No.
इसलिए नाम से
So everybody should chant holy names.
श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति जैसे आचरण
Whatever
करेंगे,
a higher person does,
अनुयायी
the people
उनके
who are
साथ
like
कैसे चले वाले,
under the guidance of this person or like juniors should follow his behavior.
सजत्वानं को है? और जो निरपेक्ष सन्यासी है, कोई संसार में कोई लेन देन नहीं, उसके अवधूत कहा जाता है।
So the person
वो सन्यास धर्म से भी नहीं रहा है। सन्यास भी चार प्रकार होते हैं। एक होता है कुटीचक, एक होता है बहुतक, कुटीचक, बहुतक, हंस और परमहंस।
okay, it's 4 kinds of sannyasa.
कुटीचक उसी का था जो
Kutichak
अपने
means
कुटिया में रहता है।
Kutichak means the kinds of sannyasa who stays in his own kutir. He's not going anywhere.
उसे कुटीचक कहा जाता
Kutichak hut.
है। बहुतक
Bahudak
क्या
places
कहा जाता है?
means he's going everywhere. So this is called Bahudak means the person is eating, drinking, like he's preaching. Have to go many places for the preaching.
जैसे लोग बोलते हैं चलते रहो, हैं? बहुतक।
This is called Bahudak.
और हंस,
And Hamsa.
हंस किसको कहा जाता
Hamsa,
है?
what is a Hamsa sannyasi?
जो दूध और पानी को मिला करके
He,
यदि
you know, the
पिया जाए,
Hamsa, this
वो क्या कर
swan,
लेते हैं?
like swan, this animal, he has the ability. For example, if you have some water and milk mixed together, he can take only the milk and not
ठीक
take the
उसी
water.
प्रकार संसार के सार
So in the
वस्तु
same
को
way,
ग्रहण कर
this
लेते
sannyasa, Hamsa sannyasa,
हैं। और असार वस्तु के वो
he takes the essence of all this material
संसार के
world
सार
and
क्या है?
he gives.
भगवत भजन।
And what is the essence of this world? It's Bhagavad
और
Bhajan.
सब वस्तु के
And whatever
अनित्य
is
जान करके
temporary, he gives up whatever is temporary in this world. Just like the
दूध
swan,
पी लेते हैं,
he drinks the milk and he gives up like acid. It's like this.
असली सार वस्तु को लेते हैं।
So he takes only the essence, the real things in this world, which is Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Nam, and he's immersed in that.
इस संसार में उसके कोई व्यक्ति के साथ उसके लेन देन नहीं है।
He's don't have anything to take or to give to anyone in this world. Wherever he gets, he
और
just
परमहंस
takes.
कैसे है?
But the Paramhansa sannyas, this 4th type of sannyas, is just like Avadhuta Maharaj,
वो
very high
सदा
class.
सर्वदा भगवत के नाम
He's always
कीर्तन,
remembering holy
अष्टकाल
names
लीला
of
में
God
डूबे
and immersed in Astakaliya Leela.
हैं। वो सबसे उच्च स्तर में चले जाते
He's
हैं।
so the highest
उनकी
stage.
कोई है तो भी उनके शरीर की भी
Even his body,
ये नहीं रहता, ज्ञान नहीं रहता।
he doesn't even remember his own body, like he's not having the perception of his own body.
ऐसे भी चलते हैं। एवं व्रत सप्र नाम कृत्वा जतानुरागो दुदुजित उच्चै हसति अधो रोदति रोति गायन उन्मादवत् नृत्यति लोकवाच। भगवान के नाम लेकर के
Just
कभी
chant names
नृत्य
of
करते,
God, sometimes he's
कभी
dancing,
जमीन पर लोटपोट खाते,
sometimes he's rolling on the
कभी
ground,
रोते हैं, कभी
sometimes
हंसते
he's laughing, sometimes he's crying.
भगवान
Why?
के नाम करते करते
Because by
उनके
chanting
हृदय
names
में
of God,
वो समस्त लीला
all
आदि
these leelas
स्फूर्ति
manifest in his heart.
होती है।
You know, spurti means the
और
stimulation
उसी
and
प्रकार
the leelas
लीला
in
के
the
अनुसार
heart.
कभी रोते हैं।
And according to the leela, sometimes he's crying. When he has a spurti of some separation leela, he starts crying.
हैं? जैसे रास्ते कृष्ण अंतर्ध्यान
Just like when Krishna disappeared from Ras Leela, and the gopis were searching for Krishna and crying. When he has the spurti of this leela, then he becomes completely immersed in the bhav of the gopis and starts crying.
फिर मिलन लीला की
Then
स्फूर्ति
also he has a spurti of Milan Leela, means meeting pastimes.
जैसे लीला की स्फूर्ति को भी हंसते हैं कभी
So sometimes
हैं? संसार के लोग क्या करें उसके तरफ देख करके हंस रहे कुछ
the
करें,
people of this world can do anything. Like he doesn't mind anything in this world. Just like Shukadev Goswami, he was the best of all these Paramahansas.
प्रकट हुए
So when he appears
16 साल के युवक
for Parikit Maharaj, he was just like a 16-year-old boy. His hair was scattered, he was naked,
और
his eyes were half closed,
कमल के भांति
half open, half closed, his eyes, just like a
किसी के ऊपर दृष्टि
lotus
नहीं है
blossoming or blossom.
उनके दृष्टि
He was
मानो
not looking at
एकमात्र
anyone, he could only
अपने
see
इष्ट देव गोविंद
his
में
own
लगे हुए।
a worshipful deity
हैं?
Govinda.
अर्ध प्रस्फुटित कमल के भांति।
So his eyes were like a half blossomed lotus,
बाल बिगड़े
and his hair
लोग बाल बालक आदि जो है
when he
हंसने
came,
लगे,
some people were laughing at him.
कीचड़ आदि,
Some
धूल
people
आदि फेंकने लगे।
were throwing mud and also laughing at him.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पादी
But
बड़ी-
Shukadev Goswami, he's not looking at
ऐसे
anything.
जो महात्मा होते हैं
So this kind of great
वो
souls,
ये स्थूल वस्तु को देखता है कि
is it a
लकड़ी
boy? Sorry, is it a girl or a piece of wood?
ज्ञान नहीं।
They don't have any kind of knowledge. Like they don't
बस
they don't make this different
भगवान
like
की लीला आदि स्मरण
discrimination.
करते हुए
They just are thinking about leelas of God.
सुखदेव गोस्वामी परमहंस मुकुटमणि
So Shukadeva Goswami is the best of all these
ये समझता है।
kinds of sannyas, like
जिसे कहते हैं
Paramahamsas.
कुटीचक बहुधा हंस परमहंस ये सब महात्मा है। तो आज जो सन्यास की कथा जो है विशेष करके विश्वरूप को सन्यास के बारे में
So
विश्वरूप के
today
बारे में
especially
थोड़ा
I'll speak a little bit about Vishwarup.
महाप्रभु की लीला में
In the leelas of Mahaprabhu,
वास्तव रूप में
he actually
अखंड गुरु तत्व
he was Akhanda Guru Tata, Baladev Prabhu actually. Vishwarup was Baladev
एक्चुअली
Prabhu.
वास्तव रूप में नित्यानंद
Actually,
प्रभु
Nityananda Prabhu,
अखंड गुरु तत्व
he's Akhanda Guru Tata,
ही बलदेव
undivided.
प्रभु, नित्यानंद व बलदेव प्रभु
And
के
this Baladev
प्रकाश
Prabhu
विग्रह
is like manifesting as Nityananda Prabhu, and the Prakash Vigraha of manifestation of Baladev Prabhu is
महाप्रभु के
Vishwarup,
बड़े भाई के रूप में
as like the older brother of Mahaprabhu.
प्रकट चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब
Mahaprabhu,
छोटे
when he was small,
कोई अभी 1-1.5 साल की बालक
maybe 1.5-year-old boy,
बहुत नटखट
he was so like mischievous, mischievous.
नटखट
Yeah.
बालक एक दिन एक तैत्तिक विप्र
One day, one Taitik
तैत्तिक विप्र
Vipra, do you know what is this Taitik Vipra? One kind of Brahmana.
भ्रमण
Means a
करते थे
Brahmana.
विप्र ब्राह्मण
Vipra means Brahmana. He was going to all the pilgrimage places,
भगवत लीला आदि स्मरण
and he was
करते
just
हुए
remembering the leelas of God.
और भगवान की लीला स्थलीय में जाते हैं तीर्थ भ्रमण
And he used to do he was
उसके
doing
नाम क्या
pilgrimage.
रहता है?
So his name was
तैत्तिक
Taitrik Vipra, like a Taitrik Brahmana.
तीर्थ करते करते
So he was going to pilgrimage places, and then he came into Navadvip Dham,
वे पधारे
this Brahmana,
और जगन्नाथ ने
Jagannatha Mishra,
विश्राम किया
to take rest.
है। और माँ सची देवी
And Mother Shachi Devi,
है, अतिथि के क्या करते हैं
what
अतिथि देव
what
भव।
did she? The guest
देवता की
is like
करना चाहिए।
God or like a demigod for you. You should see like this.
अतिथि देव भव वेदों में लिखा है
So like God. This is in the scriptures.
पहले मेरा गुरु कौन है
Who is my first guru?
माता को
My
पहले
mother.
गुरु कहा जाता है।
First
इसके
guru is the
पहले
mother, and second,
पितृदेव भव
the father is my second guru. This is the
पिता
guru
मेरा
saying.
द्वितीय गुरु है।
Matrideva
तीसरी,
Bhavo, Pitrideva
आचार्य देव
Bhavo.
भव।
Third, Acharya Deva Bhavo means the guru is
आचार्य जो मुझे दीक्षा मंत्र आदि
the Acharya.
देकर के परमार्थ
He's giving me initiation into the spiritual realm, and means guest is also like God.
साक्षात भगवान मानो
You should think that the guest coming to your house is directly God who came to your house like a guest.
घर में आते।
You should think like that.
आजकल
But
समझना
nowadays,
बहुत कठिन हो
to
रहा है।
understand is very difficult nowadays.
आजकल साधु के समझना भी कठिन हो
Even to understand what is a sadhu, people don't understand. You see a good sadhu, like a bona fide or not, how to know?
फंस जाते
Yeah.
हैं। हमारे असली और सबके नकली है हैं? ये कलिकाल है ना समझना बस
But Kali Yuga, so it's very difficult to understand.
कैसे कैसे
So many people, they have done misdeeds, like bad things, just like pretending they were sadhus and doing bad things. Those who know, know.
आज समझ में नहीं है
Understand?
बोले साधु तब उसके पता चलेगा जब मर करके छाई हो जाए छाई समझते हैं
When the person dies, and
क्या है? विश्वास
okay,
रखना चाहिए
you have to have faith
सम्मान होनी चाहिए
and also honor them, honor the sadhus.
कर्म करते वो कर्म भुगता रहते हैं, हमें क्या लेना देना।
Whatever they are doing, they'll suffer these actions. So so continue
वो
Harikatha.
तैत्तिक विप्र जो है
So this Taitik Vipra, this Brahmana, he was a very high class saint,
और साक्षात जगत माता
and he was
सची देवी वात्सल्य के साक्षात मूर्त
sorry, the Chachi Devi. She was embodiments of Vatsalya Rasa, Ma Chachi Devi, Mother
वही
Chachi
मानो
Devi.
साक्षात माँ जसोदा
She was directly my Jashoda,
सची
Jashoda
देवी के
Maya.
रूप में ही तो आए हैं गौरांगी
She
लीला
came in
में।
the form of Chachi Devi in Gaura Leela. Understand?
इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है
There's not any doubt about that. No doubt.
साक्षात माँ सची
Directly,
देवी क्या
Jashoda Maya,
जसोदा मैया
Mother Jashoda.
है? सची माँ के रूप में ही
She came in the form of Chachi Devi.
वात्सल्य के मूर्त साक्षात विग्रह साकार विग्रह
directly embodiment of Vatsalya Bhav.
और ब्राह्मण
And
जब आए
when the Brahmana came,
कहने लगे हमारे आप
the Brahmana
प्रसाद
said,
ग्रहण करें।
I will take prasad.
वो ब्राह्मण तैतिक ब्राह्मण
This Brahmana was Taitik Brahmana, but he said, like she told him, this take prasad. He said,
बना हुआ जो है
I
वैसे
don't
मैं
eat any food prepared by another person.
अपने बनाता
I cook myself.
है कोई के नियम होता है
Some people, they have this kind of rule. They follow these things.
बहुत लोग नियम बना लेते
Some
हैं
people, they create some rules for themselves.
किसी
For
का हाथ
example,
में
I'll not eat
नहीं
anything
खानी
cooked by another person.
अपने हाथ में
I only cook myself with my own hands.
बनाएंगे खाए
I cook.
करते नहीं लोग।
I don't. This kind of people, they don't do madhukari. Means that they don't beg for food because they're
बोले
like
ठीक
this.
है
Okay.
आप एक करो
Shachi Devi followed. They said,
चावल
okay.
दाल आटा
So
जो है
I give you all the rice, dal, the atta, the
वो
flour. You can make.
गृह में जगन्नाथ मिश्र के गृह में बनाया
He cooked food in the house of Jagannatha Mishra, and he had a Shalagram Shila with him because he was a Brahmana, so he used to take everywhere his Shalagram Shila,
भगवत भजन में माने डूबे हुए
and he was immersed in Bhagavad Bhajan.
गदगद नेत्र आंखों
His
से
like
आंसू की
he was crying from his eyes, and his voice choked,
धारा बस डूबे
immersed, chanting holy names.
और वो तैतिक ब्राह्मण
This Taittrik Brahman,
अनेकों प्रकार जो है व्यंजन आदि
he
बनाया
cooked many things he cooked for his deity,
शाकानंदी बना करके
and
ठाकुर जी की भोग
after
लगाई।
that he offered it food to deity.
कितना सुंदर
So beautiful.
शालग्राम के चारों ऊपर शालग्राम के चारों तरफ अनेकों
Many kinds of foods for Shalagram.
हैं और
And he starts
बाहर बैठ
chanting
करके गोटे ना
the mantra you
Krishna
chant,
mantra
this Krishna mantra, or
Gopal
also
mantra.
called Gopal mantra.
जप करने लगे
He started chanting.
हैं आंख बंद करके
With his eyes
गोपाल
shut,
मंत्र जप करने लगे
he started chanting this mantra.
मंत्र जप करने के बाद जब आंख खोला
After
देखा
he chanted, when he
कोई
opened
बात
his
3
eyes,
साल
he
के
saw
बालक
one and a half year old boy, Nimai.
किसी पर चलते हैं घुटने पर चलते हैं और बस वो भजन को
And this boy
ठाकुर
was
जी के निवेदित जो है
eating this
हैं,
bhog which was offering to God. So the Shalagram he was eating.
ब्राह्मण हल्ला मचाया अरे ये क्या कर रहे तुम्हारे
The Brahmana
बालक
said, hey, what your son is doing?
मेरे ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद को क्या कर रहे साहब
He's
झूठा बना
He's not, like spoiling this prasad, like this bhog, no? And Shachi Devi said, oh my God, like, oh no, and started chastising her son.
समझता नहीं है कुछ
Nimai, baby, was very small. He could not understand.
और माँ जसोदा जब डांटने लगे बालक को रोना शुरू।
When Mother Shachi Devi started chastising him, Nimai started crying.
बहुत दुखित
Shachi Ma became so unhappy.
ब्राह्मण के कहने लगे ब्राह्मण
So
कोई बात
she told the Brahmana, don't worry,
दोबारा से बना ले
cook again everything.
बोले नहीं नहीं
No, he said,
हैं, बनाना नहीं
I'll not cook again.
हैं। आज शायद भगवान
From today,
मेरे ललाट में भोजन नहीं रखा
like,
ये बात सत्य है
God doesn't want me to eat today.
आप लोग इधर सब
This
आए
is true. You came today here, no?
यदि यहाँ पर
If-
अन्न है
if
तो
there's
आपको
food
मिलेगा,
here, you'll
और
get
यदि
the
अन्न
food.
नहीं है
If there's not food here,
1000 कोशिश करें प्रयास करें आपको नहीं मिलेगा
You-
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल
you may try 1,000 times,
Huh?
but you'll not get this. Sorry, I
आप
think
सोच रहे
translation is
तो
not
मैं
perfect.
प्रसाद
Wait.
नहीं लेकर
For
के मैं चले
example,
जाऊंगा।
you think
जाऊंगा।
you think like this.
Actually, आज आप नहीं जाओगे आपके ललाट में है तो कहाँ से ले जाओगे
Okay, if it's not written in your
Huh?
forehead, like in your destiny,
यदि
that
लिखा है
whatever is written in your destiny will happen
मिलेगा।
accordingly. For example,
नहीं लिखा है
if it's written that you'll get the prasada, you'll eat. If it's written you'll not get the prasada, you'll not get today, according to what is in your destiny. So that Brahmana also told, like, it's not in my destiny, I should eat today, that's why.
वो क्या कर लोगे हम तो कहते हैं भाई प्रसाद लेकर के जाओ
So we'll think, oh, I'll
और वो
take
बोले,
prasad
नहीं,
and go
हमें
away.
जल्दी जाना है
Oh, no, I have to go quickly, for example, different
कभी
situations.
कहता है, जल्दी आना तो बंद करके ले जाओ कम से कम।
Okay, if you're going quickly, at least take some package of
बंद
Mahaprasad to
करके
eat in
ले
your
जाओ।
house.
वो बोले बंधने भी हमें टाइम लगेगा
Oh, no, I don't
बच्चा
have
को
time. Even for
स्कूल से
packing the
लाना है,
prasad, I have
बच्चे को
to
खाना है, वो
take the
करना है।
kids to school, bring them.
किसी न किसी बहाना से हो
By any excuse, you just leave.
उससे हमें कोई दुखित होना नहीं चाहिए पता है यार हमारे घर में लोग
You should
आए
not
थे,
feel
प्रसाद
unhappy.
नहीं
Oh, the person came to my house and did not take prasad. It's not your fault because it's not in their destiny to take prasad. Not in the person's destiny to take prasad that day. That's why.
दामाजी है तो मिलेगा नहीं कहाँ से? तो उसी प्रकार तैतिक
So in the same
ब्राह्मण
way, this Taittrik
दीन
Brahman,
ही नहीं करके बोले लगे
very humbly, he
जैसे
said,
आज हमारे ललाट में आपके घर में भोजन नहीं है, कहाँ से?
It's not in my destiny. Chachamata
आप
said,
पुनः
no,
बनाइए।
please cook again.
हैं? बहुत बात करने पर फिर वो ब्राह्मण
Then
पुनः बनाया। सची माँ भी
he cooked
raw
again.
materials जो है
Raw materials like dal, rice and everything.
सामग्री दे दिया भोजन के
Gave all the
सामग्री
ingredients for cooking.
बनाया। निमाई को भी शासन कर
And
दिया।
also
देख,
she chastised
ये
the
ब्राह्मण
Nimai.
कहाँ के रहने वाले कौन जाने? हैं? साधु क्या है?
What
क्या
is
पता है?
sadhu?
कौन
What
सा पता है कोई?
do you know?
हैं? कह रहे तो
How do you eat from his hand? You don't even know. Don't eat.
बेटा आगे से।
Oh son, don't eat from his food
छोटा
like
बालक
this.
क्या जाने? हैं? छोटा बालक अभी 1.5 साल की 1 साल 1.5
Then
साल
Nimai was 1 year old or 1.5 year old. So he just like shake his head, but like what was he actually understanding of what the mother was saying?
Then 10-11 तो बज गया।
11 p.m.
आया समझ में नहीं?
Understand?
फिर बनाया
It was
ठाकुर
11
जी के
p.m.
भोग लगाया
So Brahman cooked again, offered to Thakurji, started chanting the
और
mantra.
फिर मंत्र जप जप करने लगे वही निमाई
After chanting this Nimai again came again and started eating.
आँख खोला देखा तो
When he opened his eyes, he again saw.
कहने लगा अरे तू ऐसे क्यों कर? ब्राह्मण हाय हाय
Why
करने
are you
लगे।
eating? And then the Brahman again, like he was lamenting. And
या आज भगवान
today, certainly God, he
अन्न दाना है ही नहीं।
there's not anything about eating in my destiny today.
आज
Bhagavan didn't put in my destiny to
जगन्नाथ
eat
विष्णु
today.
से
Like
लाठी लेकर से दौड़ने लगे।
so, Jagannatha Mishra came like with a stick to beat his son because he was so angry. Jagannatha Mishra, but people pacified him. What are you like?
सची माँ भी उनको समझाने लगी।
Chachima also tried to make him understand.
अरे ऐसे करना है।
Don't do this, telling Nimai.
ब्राह्मण बोले नहीं।
The Brahmana said, no, no, now I will not eat. Today I need to fast.
उपवास ही लिखा है।
I will fast today.
किंतु माँ सची देवी जगन्नाथ
But
मिश्र
Machachadev and Jagannatha Mishra,
साक्षात वत्सल के मूर्त विग्रह था।
they are the direct embodiments of
विचार कीजिए
Vatsalya.
हमारे घर में
So they were
अतिथि
thinking,
यानी साक्षात भगवान आए
This-
और भगवान ग्रहण नहीं
this
किया।
guest came to my house, like Bhagavan came to our house, and if he did not eat anything, it's everything lost for us. Because in Shastra says that
अतिथि
if a guest comes to your
चले
house,
जाते हैं।
a guest goes from your
वो
house,
गृह क्या हो जाता है? श्मशान भूमि बन जाता है।
that house is just like a
शास्त्र
cemetery,
में अनेक श्लोक
like
हैं।
crematorium. Many slokas in Shastra.
संत महात्मा जी कोई पाप है पाप को छोड़कर वे चले
And if
जाते
the
हैं।
saint
और
has
तुम्हारे पुण्य के
any
वो
pap, any sinful
लेकर के चले
activities,
जाते हैं।
he
बोलो
goes
वृंदावन
and takes your
विहार
punya, your piety, and leaves his papa
संत
with
महात्मा
you.
कोई पाप होता है ना
But
पुण्य।
actually, the sadhu has no papa
जो
and no
सच्चे संत
punya.
महात्मा होते हैं ना
Those
उनके
who are
ना कोई
actually
पाप है, ना
sadhu,
कोई
really saints, they don't have any
वो
piety
दो नंबरी संत
and also
महात्मा होते हैं।
sins. But those who are not
जैसे भी
actually
हो।
saints, then yeah. But
हाँ। ये तो नहीं सच्ची माँ कर कि हम
Sachimata said,
पुनः बनाए। देखो उस समय वो
No,
अतिथि
please cook
ब्राह्मण
again.
रात तो 12 बज गया।
so it is already
बोले, आज मेरे
midnight.
ललाट में भोजन नहीं है
It's
क्या?
not in my forehead to eat today,
हैं?
not in my
दो
destiny.
दो
What will
बार
I do?
मैंने भोजन बनाया ठाकुर जी के
So 2 times I
और
already
फिर
cooked
किया
and
तो
tried to offer
तुम्हारे
to
बालक ने क्या कर
Thakurji,
दिया?
but your son,
झूठा कर दिया।
he like contaminated the offering. I cannot eat.
देखो उस समय
At that
ये
time,
विश्व रूप किया।
then this
हैं?
Vishwarup
उस समय
explains the role of Vishwarupa in a very beautiful way. He was the
हैं,
personification of the humility, and he made the Brahmana
ब्राह्मण
understand.
ठाकुर
Hey Brahmana Thakur, or
यदि आप
Shri
हमारे
Brahmana
ग्रहण
is unhappy.
विश्व में इतने सुंदर मधुर वचनों के द्वारा
Vishwarupa with such a beautiful,
और
like a
चैतसिक
sweet
व्यक्ति के
words,
मन को मुग्ध कर
he like pacified and make tender
ये
the
देखो
mind
एक
of the
व्यक्ति
Brahmana.
की
Because
वशीभूत करने के लिए
to
क्या चाहिए?
control one person, what do you need to do?
मीठा वचन
We need to speak
सुमिष्ट
sweet words.
वचनम,
Sweet words.
हैं? देखो बोलो ना सुंदर कथा बोलो
You should speak nicely.
हैं? हम कभी-कभी
Vegan.
बाचो वेदम
Padisham.
मनसो वेद क्रोधो वेगम जिहा वेदिरा सर्वं पृथ्वीं सशिषा। आज इसमें भक्ति कोई है कुछ?
Is there any
भक्ति
bhakti
कोई
in this
लक्षण
first
है?
sloka of Upadishamrita? Any symptoms of
भगवत
bhakti?
भजन के कुछ नहीं, कोई
Nothing.
लेस मात्र नहीं है।
Not even a bit of bhakti in the first sloka of
शायद वेद
Upadishamrita.
के कंट्रोल करने
If you
से क्या
control the
भक्ति
6
हो जाएगी?
urges,
भगवत
then
भगवान मिल जाए?
you'll get Bhagavan?
नहीं मिलेगा।
No.
हैं? इसलिए कहते हैं बाचो वेगम मनसो क्रोधो वेगम जिहा वेगम उधर उपस्थ वेगम एतान वेगम जो विषय दे सर्वं पृथ्वीं ससा से सशिषा पृथ्वी के वो शासन करने के योग्य बनता है।
Those who can control the
यहाँ पर
urges,
जो
he
है,
can rule.
शिष्य बनाने के लिए नहीं करे।
Shishya, this word in this
वो
sloka is not to
शासन
make
करने
disciples.
की वो
It's shashan.
अधिकारी योग्य
Means the
बनता है।
person is qualified to
उसको
lead,
सामने
like to govern.
कहा
How do you
वो
say
शिष्य
to?
बनाने के लिए योग्य
You know, to
बनता है,
rule,
शिष्य
governor.
कहा जाता है।
He's qualified
तो
to
उपलक्षण वाक्य के
rule
द्वारा कहा जाता है।
other persons.
डायरेक्ट जो मीनिंग होता है
So the direct meaning actually,
शासन के बस सबके काबू
So,
करने के लिए वो योग्य बनता है।
he's qualified to control others and to rule and lead like a politician, anything. If the politician doesn't control his six urges, and how other people do that also.
श्रेष्ठ जो व्यक्ति होते
So
हैं,
the higher person or
श्रेष्ठ
senior
व्यक्ति
person,
के आचार आचरण उनके
he'll set
अनुयायी
the
व्यक्ति-
example to the other people, to the junior people and the normal people. That's the
किंतु
case.
यहाँ पर देखो
But you can
भक्ति
see
की
that
कथा कहाँ है?
what is the Bhakti
क्या
Katha
बात को बेक कर
in the
लेने से, जय
Vachavegan,
करने से,
this
काम
sloka?
क्रोध के जगत में
हाँ.
भक्ति थोड़ी हो
For
जाए।
example, if you subdue your lust, sorry, your anger and
ये
the
छह गुण को वो अपनाते हैं,
Vachavegan,
किंतु वो भक्ति की
sorry,
कैटेगरी में
you'll
नहीं
be so sorry. So it is not the
है।
category
ज्ञानी
of
लोग
Bhakti
भी ये
actually. The
छह गुणों
Gyanis,
को भी
the Gyanis also
हैं, अपनाते हैं।
they
ये
also
तथा भी भक्ति कैटेगरी में
control
नहीं।
all these urges and all, but they are not in the Bhakti category
तो
of
यहाँ पर
Bhakti.
कथा प्रसंग में कहते
So
हैं
according to this, it is said that
जे भक्ति श्रेष्ठ है कि ज्ञानी श्रेष्ठ
who
है,
is
कर्मी
topmost,
श्रेष्ठ है।
Bhakti's devotees or
भक्ति श्रेष्ठ है।
karmis and
जब
Gyanis?
ज्ञानी भक्त श्रेष्ठ है।
The devotees are higher
यदि
than the
कर्मी
Gyanis and
ज्ञानी
karmis.
ये नियम के
So
पालन
if this
करते हैं,
Gyani and
छह
Karmi,
नियम को
they
जो
follow
पालन
these
करते
6
हैं,
rules of the controlling the urges of the
भक्त क्यों
senses.
नहीं करेंगे?
That's why
लागू है।
also it's necessary and it's in Upadishamrita.
किंतु यदि
That's
ज्ञान
why-
वैराग्य नहीं प्रभु भक्ति
Bhakti
रंग,
रंग।
ज्ञान वैराग्य तो भक्ति का अंग नहीं,
Because Gyani Vairagya, knowledge
किंतु
and
भक्ति के
renunciation,
कहा जाता
they are
उसके सपोर्ट करते
they support the Bhakti.
समझ में
Understand?
है। और भक्ति हो जाए तो अपने
And
आप
if you
में
have
आ
Bhakti,
जाए।
naturally you get this knowledge and
भक्ति किसी
renunciation.
में
If
हो
someone
जाए,
has Bhakti,
तो ज्ञान वैराग्य
knowledge
और
and
सद्गुण
renunciation,
अपने आप
and
आ
all the
जाए।
good qualities will come to this
है?
person.
आ जाए।
Understand?
भागवत में कहा
In the Bhagavatam, it is
क्या
said,
श्लोक?
which slok? Bhakti Parishana
नहीं नहीं, जो सद्गुण जिसमें आ जाता है।
Atha.
अरे
Bhakti Staisi Asati Guna
हाँ?
Bhakti. How is it?
वासुदेव पराभक्ति, भगवान वासुदेव में पराभक्ति, ज्ञान वैराग्य जत अहितुतम, ज्ञान वैराग्य अपने आप है। और सद्गुण अपने आप आ जाता है।
So,
अरे श्लोक कहाँ चला गया? हैं? आ जाता है, सद्गुण अपने आप आ जाता है। हैं?
so all the good qualities will come.
चलो आज
Bhakti is to Bhagavat
Huh?
Bhakti. No. Bhakti is. Ai, cadê? Não, cadê o verso? Jasasti Bhakti Bhagavati
भक्ति
Akinchana.
भगवती अकिंचन सत्य समास देसरा हराव अभक्त सकुतो महत गुना। भक्ति किसी में हो जाए, इस
If
सब
one
को
has
अपने
Bhakti,
आप-
all
अपने
these
आप वो
good
भक्त
qualities
को
will
control
come.
कर लेंगे।
Naturally, you'll be able to control your Vachavegan, your urge of speaking. Everything.
जब तक नहीं हो रहे तब
If you
तक
don't
करते
have the
रहो,
Bhakti,
प्रयास
then you
करते
have
रहो।
just to like try and
और हो
continue
जाए
in
तो
the
अपने
process.
शांति रूपी हो जाए।
But if you really have the Bhakti, then
Huh?
naturally will come.
समझ ना?
Understand?
किंतु इसमें भी होना भी चाहिए।
But this also should
वाच
be there.
वेगन,
Like you
मधुर
should
भाषण,
also
भाषण। वाच वेग क्या?
do the Vachavegan. What is the meaning of
वास्तव होता है
Vachavegan? What is the actual meaning of Vachavegan?
मृतभाषी होना चाहिए।
Should
अल्प
speak
बोलो।
sweet words and less.
वेदंच सारंच। हैं?
Speak less and sweet words.
वक्ता कौन होता है? जो सार वस्तु बोलती है, अल्प भाषा में
That person
सारी
who
वस्तु
speaks
की वो
less and only the
प्रकट कर
essence
देते हैं।
and
उसके
manifest
कार्य
everything
को
in this
वक्ता नहीं
essence,
कहा जाता।
which is he speaking.
वाच वेग, हैं? अधिक वचन मत बोलो।
Don't speak too
हैं?
much.
अधिक वचन क्या है?
What
इधर-उधर के
is
बात
like?
मत
Don't
बोलो।
speak the here and there like this.
हैं? भगवत कथा ही बोलते हैं।
Speak Bhagavad Katha.
हैं? Actually भगवत कथा ही
Actually,
वाच वेग।
You speak Bhagavad Katha. This is really
जितना इच्छा है
Vachavegan.
भगवत कथा सुना।
And whatever you can even 10 hours speak Bhagavad Katha. This is no
हैं?
problem. This is
वही
not.
बात।
Stop speaking about other people and criticizing others like this.
आज
Sweet words,
जिससे कि चित्त आकर्षित
so that
हो
you
जाए।
can attract other people's
इतिहास
hearts.
जानते हैं?
Do you know the history?
हैं?
History. Do you know
क्या बोले?
there was one
अलेक्जेंडर।
king called
अलेक्जेंडर
Alexander.
के नाम सुना?
Have you heard his name?
हैं?
Alexander
उन्हें
King.
राज्य जय करते यही भारतवर्ष में
He-
पुरु के वो पराजित कर राज्य ले लिया।
He took the kingdom of this another king called Puru.
हैं? उनके कहने लगे जब बंदी करके उनके पास लेकर
And
गए।
when this Puru became like prisoner
बोले,
of the
"बताओ,
other king,
आप क्या चाहते हो?"
Alexander asked Puru, what do you want?
देखो उन्हें सुंदर
Sorry.
उनको छोड़ दे। जा-
So then Alexander let him go. Okay, go
क्या
back.
साक्ष्य दे दे।
The history is evidence to this.
वचन के ऊपर ऐसे सुंदर वचन बोलो
So if you speak
जिससे
sweet
लोगों
words,
की मन मुक्त हो जाए।
then you like this intoxicate people's
मेरे
minds,
कहने
like
की
you
तात्पर्य है विश्वरूप
fascinate their minds, you know.
इतने सुंदर मन प्रति
Vishwarup,
मन को लुभा लिया।
he like attracted the mind of the,
दैत्य विप्र
captivated the mind, and he
बनाया
cooked
ठाकुर जी को भोग लगाया
and offered to
और
Thakurji.
सोची वहाँ
And
अपने
Shachimanta
बालक निमाई को लेकर के दूसरी घर में चले गए
took Nimai to another
हैं?
place
और ताला बंद कर दिया
and
ये
also
हमारे
locked the
नटखट
door.
बालक हैं।
Oh, this boy is so
हैं?
mischievous.
कैसे
Then,
पता नहीं सब सो जाए कि
Going in the
कुंडली लगा दी कुंडली नहीं बिल्कुल
so she completely locked the door with a lock, you know, like a lock.
और इधर ब्राह्मण रात 12 बज गया
So the
ब्राह्मण
Brahmana, it was
जब
already
ब्राह्मण
midnight,
ठाकुर जी
and the
को भोग
Taitik
लगाया,
Brahmana offered food to
मंत्र
Thakurji,
जप किया
chanted
और मंत्र
mantra,
जप करने लगे बस
and
वही
then
बालक
the same boy,
वही
Nimai,
ठाकुर जी के प्रसाद में वहीं पर बैठ करके
he was sitting there and eating the Thakurji prasad.
हैं? देखो तीसरी बार हो गई ना
Third time, isn't it?
हैं? रात 12 बजे
This was midnight.
और उस समय ब्राह्मण हाकर गई फिर हैं? महाप्रभु निमाई कहने लगे ब्राह्मण सुनो तुम मेरे नित्य दास हो हैं? मोर मंत्र जपी मोरे करो आह्वान
So Mahaprabhu told Nimai, told this Brahmana, you were calling my mantra, you were calling me, and when I eat, you lament.
अच्छा जे गोपाल मंत्र जपन ठाकुर जी भोग लगाना जानते हो कि नहीं
Because do you know how to offer food to Thakurji? How many people know how to offer food to Thakurji? Raise your hands.
ठाकुर जी के भोग लगाने में गोपाल मंत्र जप करना पड़ता है ना
We have to chant Gopal mantra to offer food to the deity. These are the names of the deity, you know.
महाप्रभु स्वयं कह रहे
So Mahaprabhu himself, he said, Nimai, young boy, sorry, a boy, he told,
मेरे मंत्र जप
you
कर,
chanted
मैं
my
स्वयं
mantra.
भगवान हूँ, मैं ही
I am
कृष्ण
Swayam
हूँ।
Bhagavan, I
गोपाल
am
मंत्र
Krishna. What is the Gopal mantra? It's Krishna himself.
कृष्ण मंत्र लिखा है ना
Krishna mantra.
के पत्र दिया ना आपको पेपर जो दिया
They give you, some paper with the Diksha mantras, no?
मंत्र वा
So it's written the Gopal mantra or Krishna mantra.
कितना अक्षर है
How many syllables? You don't know?
अष्टादश अक्षर
18 syllables, Gopal mantra.
किंतु उस समय के मंत्र
But at that time, the mantra
अक्षर गोपाल
had
मंत्र
6 syllables.
अक्षर जी
6 syllables before.
अभी हम लोग जो मंत्र गोपाल
Nowadays, the
मंत्र
Gopal
जप
mantra,
करते
which
हैं,
we
जप
give,
करते
this
हैं,
Krishna mantra,
उसमें
has
18 अक्षर युक्त
18 syllables.
हैं, अष्टादश अक्षर गोपाल मंत्र
Astadasaksha Gopal mantra.
जपे हैं आज समझ चलो तो इसलिए स्वयं महाप्रभु निमाई कहने लगे
So Nimai
मंत्र
told-
जप मोरे करे आह्वान मेरे मंत्र जप करके मुझे जब
You were chanting my mantra and calling me.
किसी को बुलाया महाराज आइए
Somebody called Mahaprabhu, oh, Maharaj, come here and take prasad. When I sit to take prasad, they come chastise me with a stick. I was tell, what is this? You called me for prasad and now you're chastising me? Is this?
स्वयं कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu
मोर
told
मंत्र जप
the
मोरे
Brahmana,
करे आह्वान
my mantra and calling me?
इदं नैवेद्यं है कृष्णाय
Like you offer the food, Idana Vidam, chanting all these mantras, offering
अर्पित करते हैं,
offering water also,
पत्र पुष्प जो कुछ भी आदि
offering flowers, whatever.
फिर गायत्री मंत्र आदि
Then you
गोपाल
chant the
मंत्र
Gayatri
आदि
mantra, means Gopal mantra, you chant. This is a process of offering.
तो उसी प्रकार महाप्रभु
So
कहने लगे
Mahaprabhu
मोर
said also,
मंत्र जपी मोरे करे
you
आह्वान
chanted my mantra,
मेरा
my name,
मंत्र जप करके मुझे बुलाया
and you
और जब
called
मैं खाना
me.
शुरू
When
कर
I
दिया,
start eating,
हाहाकार करते
then you lament.
हैं तथ्य
The Taittrik Vipra,
सचेत सचेत आदमी विचार करने यार उस समय उनको देख करके
he was thinking,
स्वयं
and
महाप्रभु निमाई
Mahaprabhu
कहने लगे
Nimai
ब्राह्मण
told
तुम्हें बहुत
Brahmana,
भगवान हो
you were very fortunate
तुम मेरे वो कृष्ण लीला में
because in Krishna Lila,
मेरे माँ और मेरे पिता नंद जसोदा के घर में तुम भी आए थे
you also came to the house of my mother, Jashoda
एक बार दर्शन दिया
and
मेरे
father.
दर्शन
One time you saw me in Krishna Lila, and now I'm doing the Gauri Lila.
अभी तो मैं छोटा हूँ ना जिन्हें आगे
Now
मैं
I'm
कैसे-
small,
कैसे-
but
कैसे
later
लीला
I'll do
करता
so many other
हूँ।
pastimes.
ऐसे करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Saying like this, Mahaprabhu
उनको अष्टाभुज
showed him a form of 8 arms, Ashtabhuj.
है? देखो मैं वही कृष्ण हूँ
He said, I'm the same Krishna.
एक हाथ में नवनीत
In
मक्खन
one hand, he was eating fresh butter.
है आज कितना सुंदर रूप है
So beautiful form, such a beautiful form.
ने 18 करके है अष्टभुजा मैंने 8 भुजा
8 arms form.
है और दिखाया मैं वही
And he showed, I am also the same Ram
और
also.
मैं वही
And also, I'm also Krishna.
और वही मैं है? गोपाल
And I'm
वही
also
नारायण,
Gopal
तुम्हारे
Narayana
इष्टदेव
also.
नारायण।
Your Istadev,
शालग्राम
worship
पूजा
deity
करते
Narayana because those who
हैं।
worship
पहले
Shalagram.
नारायण स्वरूप उनको दर्शन कराया,
No,
अष्टभुज।
it's Narayana.
ठीक है?
So
अष्टभुज
first,
शंकर चक्र गदा।
he showed
फिर राम स्वरूप उनको
the form
दर्शन
of
कराया।
Narayana to him with 4 arms. You know, Narayana with 4 arms. And then form of Ram, and then Krishna. And also again, form of Nimai.
कितना सुंदर है।
So beautiful form, such a beautiful form. So what I want to say about this is
ये चैतन्य
the meaning is
महाप्रभु के बड़े भाई विश्वरूप
the older brother of Mahaprabhu Vishwarup.
साक्षात बलदेव
He is
के
directly
प्रकाश
the
माना
Prakash manifestation of Baladev Prabhu.
जाता है। और
And
विश्वरूप जब धीरे-धीरे बड़े होने
when
लगे
Vishwarup was growing up,
है, अद्वैत आचार्य जी की
then
स्कूल में
he went to the school of Advaita Acharya to study.
है, समझे?
Understand?
जब विद्या अभ्यास किया
When he, after studying, then
उन्होंने क्या कि विचार करने
he started thinking
हैं?
spiritual life,
दोनों
paramarthik
life को
jivan.
हमको कैसे करना
You
चाहिए?
should what?
Balance लेके।
Balance these two lives. Your two
जैसे
lives
एक
have to
नदी
balance.
प्रवाहित होती है, नदी
Just like
धार करती
the
है। और
river.
दोनों छोर
When the
इस
river
प्रकार
flows, the two banks of the river, they go together all the time.
इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? Two banks of the river.
The two banks of the river, they go side by side in parallel way.
हैं? वो भी इस रेखा जी टेढ़े मेढ़े हो, वो भी
So
टेढ़े
if
मेढ़े
one
हो।
side of the river is also like crooked, the other one will also be like bending and everything together. They do.
सीधी हो तो वो भी सीधी चलेगी।
If one is straight, also the other shore will be straight because they go together. So what I mean
एक पारमार्थिक जीवन
is
और
the
एक
spiritual life, paramarthik jivan, and
हैं? व्यावहारिक
your material life, byabaharik jivan.
दोनों जीवन के
These
अंग
two
उसी
lives
के
you
साथ
have,
चलना पड़ता
they should like
है।
go on,
नदी
like
प्रवाहित होती है।
just like a river is flowing.
ना जाने कितने बाधा विघ्न
Who
की
knows how
को
many obstacles the river, the water of the river faces on the way.
ऐसे थोड़ी चल जाता है।
It's not so easy. Like the river,
फोड़ करके कहीं
so many like
यहाँ तो
obstacles.
बड़े-बड़े पत्थर के भी
Sometimes
चट्टान
there are
को
so
भी
many
वो
stones and the river
उलट-पलट
continues.
करके
Just bend and continue.
हाँ,
Isn't it?
बड़े-बड़े पेड़ को भी उखाड़-फुखाड़ करके
Sometimes also
चल
some
रहे
trees
हैं।
they fall on the way of the
जब
river.
धारा है ना, जब वो डैम की खोल दिया जाता है पानी।
For example, when they open some dam,
क्या बोलते हैं? हाथी कुंड में क्या कुंड को बोलते हैं? हाँ?
then you know there's reservoirs of water, all these things.
किंतु दोनों छोर एक साथ में चलते हैं।
Flow of water, these two shores go together. So the flow of our life is also like this. We have the material life for mundane life and also your spiritual life. You should balance both.
उसी के कहा जाता है आर्ट ऑफ लाइफ।
This is the art of the life.
इसी के तो है
This is the art of life.
मनुष्य मात्र की
All living in, all human beings should
व्यावहारिक जीवन और
see to this, check this, his spiritual life and material life.
किंतु हम अधिक रूप में
But
किसी
would give more intense in where?
परमार्थिक
In spiritual life.
ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ जो
I'm not
लौकिक
saying
जीवन
that you
या
should
व्यावहारिक
also
जीवन की बिल्कुल
neglect your material life or mundane life.
माने अवॉइड कर दे तो समाज
Sorry, or to avoid that, because otherwise society will be destroyed.
सभ्यता संस्कृति
This culture of society, these rules of society,
ब्रेक हो जाए
they'll break.
इसलिए तो कहा गया वर्णाश्रम आचरतावता पुरुषेण परपुमान विष्णु आराधते पंथा नन्नत्तत्व कारणम है विष्णु पुराण में।
That's why Vishnu Puran says, if you follow Varnashram Dharma, if you follow Varnashram Dharma, God becomes pleased if you follow Varnashram Dharma.
विष्णु आराधते पंथा नन्नत्तत्व कारणम भगवान श्री हरि के प्रसन्न करने के लिए
To satisfy God, this is the path to satisfy God. Which path? First, follow Varnashram Dharma. And slowly you grow. Brahmachari Jivan and also Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyas. Slowly how we should go. Slowly we continue. Brahmachari, 12 years stay in the house of the Guru and study, control your senses, brahmacharis, no? Study scriptures, put your mind and heart in Gyan, studying the Shastras, etc. etc. After that, if your tendency of heart is not like spontaneously in God and you're going to Vishaya, means enjoy sense gratification, then you can enter Grihastha Jivan, married life, no? With your daughters, sons, wife, mother, father, then you follow Grihastha Jivan, and there are many rules also. Then after that you continue. When you are 50 years old, in Hindi 50, this word 50 is called Pachas. 50 is Pachas in Hindi, but after 50, 51 is called Ek-One. Ek-One is like one and forest, means alone in the forest. If you speak quickly, 51 in Hindi, Ek-One means like one ek and one forest, like go alone to the forest. Looks like. If you speak quickly, like Ek-One, Ek-One. 51
अकेला वन में जा।
means go alone to the forest. Looks like this. You're saying this.
अरे नहीं 54 के नहीं कर रहे 50 के बाद 50
After 50.
के ऊपर हो जाने पर
After 50.
51 हो जाते हैं ना
The number 51 comes.
हैं? सारे जिम्मेदारी अपने
Give the responsibilities
पुत्र कन्या को
to your
लेकर के वन
daughters
में जाओ।
and children and sons and go to the forest.
52 नहीं कहा गया हैं?
What you said? What you said?
हाँ वन शब्द के अर्थ होता है सन्नास।
Van means like this forest means to take sannyas.
50 के ऊपर हो गया माने
After the
51 में चले
50,
गए। एक वन
51.
हैं? वो सब मेरे साथ चलो।
Everybody come with me after 50.
उसमें लिखा है ना 50 अर्ध वनम गच्छेत।
It's written in the
50
shloka.
ऊर्ध्व क्या होता है? इक्वान
After 50 is like 51.
हिंदी में बहुत अच्छा शब्द
In Hindi is nice word 51 like ekawan means go alone to the forest. Alone go one
सब वन
person.
लगा देते हैं हैं?
And from 50 all this one
प्रतिज्ञा करो
because I like all 51 52 in Hindi all these numbers they also have this one in them. So it's like making the vow
क्या
like
होता है?
go
सन्नास आदि ग्रहण।
and then you take sannyas.
ये समझ तो दिखा रहे तो मेरा कहने के लिए विश्वरूप भी
So,
उसके पहले
विश्वरूप,
विचार करने लगे।
He was thinking
वैराग्य ये संसार
to
की सार
renounce
क्या है
what is the essence of this world. Bhagavad Bhajan.
अरे, संसार कोई बुरी नहीं है
This world is not
लेकिन
bad
संसार के सार क्या
but the
है
essence of this world is Bhagavad Bhajan.
अनुकूल
Favorable.
यदि संसार में अनुकूल है
If-
अनुकूल समझते हो favorable for you
If the family is favorable for your
तो उसके
life
संसार में ना करके भगवान की भजन
then
करो।
if you can stay in the life in the family and do the Bhagavad Bhajan. But if your family is not favorable for your Bhagavad Bhajan, then give up your family
एकांत में
and alone
जाकर के भगवान को भजन
stay and do the Bhagavad Bhajan alone.
सही से विद्यार फल जानियो निश्चय कृष्ण पाद पद में यदि चित्त वृत्ति ना। विद्या के फल क्या है
What is the fruit of
भगवान से
knowledge?
मेरे मन लग जाए।
How can we put our mind into
घर
God?
में रहते हुए जो अनुकूल परिवेश
If you stay in the house like and everything's favorable, so why you need to give up your house?
है?
Understand?
माता पिता भाई
Your mother, father, your friends and brothers, everybody with one already Goloka Vrindavan.
किसी ने दी है भजो भायो चरण सिंधु देखिया गंगा सुख न सीमा पायो हैं? शुद्धव कथ शरण रेणु भजन अनुकूल भगत सेवा परम सिद्धि प्रेमलती कर मूल दीन गीहे भजन देखी प्रियते गोलक भायो चरण सिंधु देखिया गंगा सुख न सीमा पाया है? जिस दिन गृह में
That day,
सभी लोग
in
एक
that Dvaitacharya,
ये संसार नित्य अनित्य
How?
का बोध होना चाहिए
this world is full of like temporary and
कितने
things.
बार माया के लाठी खाओगे भाई
How many times you'll be beating up by
फिर
Maya?
क्यों चलते हो
But still, why you continue?
भागवत में इसको कहा रहे हैं,
The Bhagavata is saying,
गधा गधा जानते
the
हो
donkey,
गधा क्या करते हैं
what is he doing?
हैं? वो गधी के पीछे जो है female,
He's following, like
उसके
running
पीछे
behind the
परमात्मा
female
के लिए
donkey
वो दौड़ते रहते हैं।
to enjoy with
और
her.
वो गधी क्या करते हैं
And the
पीछे के
female
hind
donkey
leg की
is
तरफ
with
क्या करते हैं?
hind
उसमें
legs
ऐसे
is
मारता है, थप्पड़ मारता है,
kicking so
मुंह से
much
उसको जो
the
है,
mouth of the donkey, male
खून
donkey,
पीट
that
निकलता है।
so much blood is coming from his
है?
mouth.
तथापि वो
But
गधी के
still,
पीछे क्या
this
करते हैं?
donkey is following, like chasing behind
दौड़ता है।
this female donkey
उसी
to
प्रकार
enjoy,
इस संसार
like
में भी
sexually.
माया के पीछे
So-
दौड़ते जा रहे हैं।
So the jivas are
इतने
also
पिटाई हो रहे हैं।
running and chasing Maya. They are getting beaten up so much, but they don't change. They still want.
अरे भगवान के भजन भजन करो,
Do
छोड़
the
दो।
bhajan of God. Give up this, but no, they don't give up.
नहीं छोड़ोगे तो कैसे होगा?
If you don't give up, then how possible?
हैं?
How will it be
माया तुम्हें इधर पिटाई कर रहे हैं।
possible? Maya is beating you.
अरे भजन भजन का गोविंद के भजन का
Do Govinda bhajan, do,
भजन नहीं कर।
but you're not doing.
माया के पीछे मत जाओ।
Don't go.
ये माया क्या है मानो?
Don't chase after Maya.
Female?
The Maya is like the female donkey,
और जीव क्या है?
and the jiva is like
मेल डंकी।
male donkey,
और माया के पीछे दौड़ती जा रही है।
running
और
after
माया
Maya.
के पीछे के hind
and
legs
Maya
हैं।
with her hind legs kicking the living entity.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in the
संसार
same
के
way,
जीव
these jivas in this world,
माया के भोगने के लिए चल रहे हैं।
they are going to enjoy
Yeah.
Maya. They want to enjoy Maya,
और माया उसकी पिटाई कर।
but Maya is beating them up.
तात्पर्य क्या है?
What is the meaning of this?
अनित्यता ज्ञान हो।
You should know what is eternal and not eternal in this world.
भगवान के भजन करो।
And you should do the Bhagavad
काम,
Bhajan.
क्रोध आदि के विजय
You should
प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रयास
Try
करो।
to conquer the lust and anger. Understand?
काम, क्रोध आदि के
You should
विजय
try
प्राप्त
to
करने के लिए प्रयास करो।
conquer the lust and
भगवान
anger.
के भजन करो।
And do the Bhagavad Bhajan only.
जीवन की सार क्या है?
What is the essence of life?
भगवत भक्ति।
Do the Bhagavad Bhakti.
और भगवत भक्ति।
Satsanga, even
जिनके मुख पर
one
मृत्यु हमारे साथ भी नहीं जाए।
like needle, not even the earth which comes in one needle, like a coin, will not take anything from this life.
यही तो कह रहे हैं अद्वैत आचार्य।
So Advaita Acharya in his school,
विश्वरूप के यही ज्ञान देने
he
लगे।
gave this kind of gyan to Vishwarup.
जीवन की सार
The
एकमात्र
essence of life is only
भगवत भजन,
Bhagavad Bhajan, Bhagavad Bhakti.
जीवन में सब कुछ किया।
We did everything in our life, but if you didn't do the Bhagavad Bhajan, everything is useless.
कोई कहते हैं बहुत
Some people said with love. Some people say,
मेरे बेटी को मैंने पढ़ा
"Oh,
दिया।
my daughter studied so much. He graduated in this and that. I also worked so much in this good job. I retired. My daughter, my son is a judge and this." And I asked this person, "What did you do? Like, what did they actually do?
हैं?
What did you do?"
अरे जहाँ पर घर बनाना था उसके तो घर नहीं बनाया। हैं?
What?
कहते हैं ना मैंने ये मकान बना दिया वो
Like for
कर दिया,
example,
वो कर दिया,
oh, I made this house, I made this house.
बोलता है,
So do you know who speaks मैं means me, like I in Hindi. So who is speaking मैं is
वो
the,
तो घर नहीं बनाया।
make a house where? In Goloka Vrindavan, but you didn't make a house there.
काना कौड़ी तो नहीं। कितने जन्म तुमने ऐसे बेटा बेटी के पढ़ाया
How
सिखाया,
many
दिया, सब
lives?
तुम्हें छोड़ करके चले गए।
How many lives
सब
already
छोड़ करके आ गए।
you did so many give education to your daughters and sons in other lives, but everything was left behind
कितने बार
after
तुमने
death.
शादी किया?
How many
और कितने
how many
बार
times you
तुमने
got married and how many
छोड़
times
दिया?
also
ये पहली बार नहीं है।
they gave you
कितने
up and
जन्म
you
तुमने
gave up
कितने
them. How many
बेटा
lives?
बेटी के पढ़ाया लिखा सिखाया,
Also, you
कितने
made
ऐसे
your
बंदे
daughters and sons so much high educated before in other lives, and also you did so.
एक कथा में सुना था।
You did built a big house in other lives. So one story, there was one Muslim
वो
person.
आत्मप्रशंसा बहुत करता था। बहुत पैसा खर्च करके विशाल एक
He spent so much money and he built a big
वस्तु
house.
है, उसमें देखने के लायक है। कोई भी
Like
व्यक्ति आते
to
थे
see
देखने
that
के लिए,
some
वो
person
आत्मप्रशंसा करते थे।
used to come,
Understand?
then he would like to hear the praise.
देखो मैंने
Praise.
ये किया, ये
Like for example, oh, I did this, I did that. He would like to
लोग
praise,
देख करके भी प्रसन्न होते थे।
and people used to be happy. Oh yeah,
गजब की बात है,
nice.
ऐसे ना देखा करो।
Man, this is very nice what you did. All you built this very beautiful house you built and really nice.
सब प्रसन्न। और दूसरे कहते हैं, देखो कुछ लोगों के स्वभाव होता है
But some people they have the
आत्मप्रशंसा
nature.
सुनने के लिए।
Some person they want to listen their own glorification.
जब लोग बोलते थे, उसके छाती जो
If some person glorify you, then they become like a 65 inches their chest, like they become so proud.
एक
puffed
संत
up.
महात्मा आए,
So one saint came.
संत महात्मा भी कहने लगे,
The saint said
संत महात्मा न हंसे और न रोए न कुछ नहीं
he didn't laugh, he didn't cry anything.
न संत महात्मा उसकी प्रशंसा की।
The saint also did not glorify the
तो
person.
देख करके भाई हमारे इतने सुंदर मंजिल बनाया, जितने लोग आते हैं
Oh, I made
और
such a
जब
beautiful
कहते हैं,
house.
दर्शन किया।
Everyone who comes to see my house and the house I
सबके
built,
सब कहते हैं, हाँ, हाँ, आपने
everybody
सब
says,
प्रशंसा कर-
praise me and glorifies me. But this saint is so like a miser. He's not even glorifying me, just looking up and down.
वो सैन कहने लगे, जब प्रशंसा नहीं करते ना, तब कहते हैं,
Maharaj, tell something, speak something.
मुझे दिया ही नहीं। तो मैं क्या कहूँगा? मैं आप मैंने भूल गया। तो अरे माला देखो उसने दे दी।
For example, they forgot to give me the mala example. Then I'll tell, oh, put this mala in me, put this mala.
कहना चाहते थे, हैं? किंतु संत महात्मा जब ऊपर के तरफ
But when the
देखे,
saints
नीचे
looked
देखे,
up and down, then he said,
ये महाराज ये बताइए, कोई बात नहीं, आप मेरा प्रशंसा
Maharaj,
नहीं
the
किया।
person told the
आप ऊपर
Maharaj,
के तरफ देखा, नीचे
Maharaj,
तरफ
okay,
देखे,
you're
इसके
not
तात्पर्य
glorifying me, but why you're looking up and down? What is the meaning of that? Then the
तेरे
saint said,
भांति कितने लोग ऐसे
you're such a foolish
इसी
person.
जमीन पर
How many persons on the same place on the earth?
बड़े-बड़े
They also
महल
built
बनाया,
so many palaces and big houses and everything,
और वो मिट्टी के अंदर
palaces,
कहाँ चले गए,
and now
और वो भी
this
कहाँ
came,
चले गए,
everything came under the earth, and they disappeared also. They're not here anymore.
भी एक दिन मिट्टी
This
के
palace
अंदर
which you built, it's also one day will come under the earth, like they'll be destroyed one day.
हैं? तात्पर्य तो यही है,
Understand?
हैं?
No?
भगवत नाम नहीं किया,
If you didn't
सत्संग
chant
नहीं
holy
किया,
names, if you did not did the association of sadhus, if you didn't serve the sadhus, everything is useless.
हैं? मुट्ठी बन के आया तू
You came to this world with your
जीवन में संत भाव की सेवा है।
hands like shut, and you go with open hands, like everything leave behind you.
बेकार जीवन।
Your life is useless if you did not serve
मेरे
sadhus
कहने
and
की
everything.
तात्पर्य है,
So what I mean to say,
आचार्य जी के टोल में विश्वरूप ये समस्त कथा
sorry,
ज्ञान वैराग्य
so the Vishwarup also listened all this
विचार करने लगे।
Jnana Vairagya Katha in school of Advaitacharya, and he thought,
इसलिए
goal of life is to do
विश्वरूप ने
Bhagavad
क्या
Bhajan. So Vishwarup, what did he do?
संसार छोड़ करके
He gave up his family.
चले गए
He left
हैं और सन्यास भी लिया।
and he took sannyas.
सन्यास का क्या नाम है?
What is his name? Sannyas name?
हैं? हैं?
His sannyas name. Vishwarup ji ka sannyas name.
जस्ट भूल गए थे।
I forgot.
हैं?
Someone
अरण्य
knows?
क्या नाम है?
उनका नाम संन्यास करना
Must be in the
Sannyas
we don't
लेकर
have
चले
a
गए।
name of GVP.
हैं?
They sent some.
देखो
So anyway,
सची माँ रोने लगी क्या?
so,
देखो निमाय जो
so
है छोड़ा
Jagannatha
बालक।
Mishra also gave up his body, and Shachamata was crying so much.
माँ सची माँ के संतना दे।
And Nimai was a young boy, like a young, very small boy.
मैं समझ नहीं।
And he was pacifying his mother, I will not take sannyas, I will take care
गृहस्थ
of you.
होकर के मैं तुम्हारी
I will be
सारी बात
grihastha, and I
मैं
will
कर पाऊंगा।
put all the burden of taking care of you on my shoulders.
बालक निमाय
So this baby Nimai, the
माँ
boy
सची
Nimai,
की संतति।
he pacified his mother Shachidevi.
फिर आगे की कथा जो है चैतन्य महाप्रभु के जीवन लीला चरित कथा आप लोग
So
जानते
you
हैं।
know the rest of Leela of Mahaprabhu.
पहले विवाह आदि की,
First he married
किसके साथ विवाह
to
हुआ?
whom? First he married to
है विष्णुप्रिया, लक्ष्मी
No.
प्रिया के साथ विवाह
Lakshmi Priya first.
है। फिर लक्ष्मी
And then,
प्रिया के अंतर्ध्यान के
After she
बाद
disappears,
उन्होंने
Lakshmi
विष्णु
Priya,
प्रिया के साथ
he
विवाह
married
किया,
to
दूसरी
Vishnu
विवाह
Priya. It was his second wife.
फिर चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And then Mahaprabhu,
24 साल में क्या
when he
किया?
was 24 years old,
सन्यास लेकर
he
के
took
चले
sannyas
गए।
and left.
और सन्यास लेके
And
सन्यास
then,
के उपरांत
After sannyas,
जगन्नाथपुरी गए।
he went to Jagannath Puri,
जगन्नाथपुरी से फिर
and
दक्षिण
then
देश
he came to south of India
भ्रमण किया।
to travel.
समय हो गया, मुझे ये जाना है।
Now already time, we have to go.
शंकरारण्य शंकरारण्य
Okay, his name was Shankararanya.
शंकर अरण्य शंकरारण्य
Vishwarup, yeah.
शंकरारण्य उसके नाम है।
Shankararanya, his name.
अच्छा चलो मैं याद रखना सन्यास में।
You
क्या
should
है?
remember his sannyas name.
शंकर
Shankar
अरण्य
Aranya, his sannyas name of Vishwarup.
आज नहीं, विश्वरूप के सन्यास नाम
So his name of sannyas, Vishwarup, Shankararanya. Okay, continue.
हाँ, स्मरण करा तो होता है ना
If-
स्मरण स्मरणांच
You should, like, if you make me remember, it's good. Like, I remember, make you remember, and also you remember me. You remind me also, like, both. So it's good.
फिर चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब दक्षिण देश भ्रमण करते करते
So when Mahaprabhu was traveling south of India,
पंडारपुर में
he came
भीमा
to
नदी के तट
Pandarpur,
पर, वहीं पर लोगों
on the
ने
banks
बताया,
of this
ये आपके
river,
भाई, है,
some specific
सन्यास
river.
लेने के पश्चात यहीं
And
पर
then
पधारे। फिर
Some
यहीं
people
पर
said,
उन्होंने
"Oh no, your brother was here and he gave up his life here."
फिर चैतन्य महाप्रभु लोक रीति के
So
अनुसार
according to the Vedic rituals of the society,
और आज के दिन ही चैतन्य महाप्रभु
in the
ने
day
क्या
of
की?
today,
एक
Mahaprabhu,
पूर्ण कार्य आदि की।
he
पूर्ण कार्य समझते
Kaura Karja. Do you know what is this?
हैं? सभी,
He shaved.
हैं? संस्कृत शब्द है।
In Sanskrit, this is called Kaura Karja.
के द्वारा जो सेविंग करते हैं, इसलिए संस्कृत नाम है कौर कार्य। हैं? सेविंग इंग्लिश में कहते हैं।
Yeah, I know, but he said from word. Okay, shaving.
हैं? आज के तारीख चैतन्य महाप्रभु इसलिए एक्चुअल होना चाहिए कैसे था 4 महीने तक
So actually, for 4 months, you should not cut the nails and also the beard. You should not shave.
You
should sleep on the dirt, on the floor. And whenever it's not written in Hari Bhakti Vilasa, we are calling upon that and running on Bhakti Vilasa, the rules for Hari Bhakti Vilasa of Chandurmasya. If I could follow one rule of Hari Bhakti Vilasa for Chaturmasya Vrat, then my life would be successful. For example, sleeping on the floor. Just put on very thin cloth and just sleep on the floor. Understand? Couldn't do that. For 1-2 months, okay, but when comes Kartik month, then you cannot do anymore. I tried to do that, but Maharaj slapped me. I think Shandaran Maharaj slapped me. This is possible for Rup Sanatan, not for me, for us. You'll be sick. You should not sleep on the bed. You should not use soap. You should not use oil. You should only clean your body after going to toilet only with mud. After 3 days without putting oil on your hair, how will you be? Krishna will tell you, I killed because then, like, if you don't put oil in your hair will be very ugly. You'll be like Putana. Krishna will say this, isn't it? She's saying, I don't put oil. But Gurudev said, okay, but you put shampoo, like other things, which are even higher than oil. She's saying do not put oil, but you put something in your hair. Understand? If oil cannot be put in the hair, imagine shampoo and other things. That even also should not put, of course. And also, for example, soap and whatever. Like, I don't know all these things, but like all these cosmetic things, So the Chaturmasya Vrat is very difficult to follow all this. That's why whatever is favorable for your body, then you follow that. Whatever is favorable for bhakti, you accept. Whatever is favorable for your bhakti, then you accept that. You cannot get God by too much renunciation. Tapasya is called when you give burden to your body, like pain to your body. But whatever is favorable for your body, you should accept that. For example, food, like how you should eat on Chaturmasya. I told in the morning, you should eat only one time. And that also, how to eat? Do you know? In the time of sunset, you mix rice and dal and just eat one time. Gogra? You should eat like a cow. You should put on the floor and just eat like a cow without using your hands. Try to do that or see this one time and then you understand. These you have to be. Don't put the shampoo, then put the oil. Then if you don't put the oil, you realize. Persons will tell, who is this person? If you don't put the oil or shampoo, people. There's one boy who went with his mother for picnic, and during the picnic, the boy started playing here and there, and the mother was making the picnic, the food and all. But then at the same time, it rained. After the rain, all this beauty of the mother just became washed with the rain. The makeup and all. So the boy came. What is my mommy? Oh, my Auntie G. Where is my mommy? He said, I am your mother. No, you're not my mother. You were like a ghost or witch. My mother was so beautiful. Her hair was beautiful. Oh, foolish son. At that time, I had just come from beauty parlor, my son. I came from beauty parlor at that time. So you cannot even do that, not to speak about following the rest of Chaturmasya. So our Acharya said, you should do, you have to do the hard austerities which are favorable for your bhakti. No, also you should not say, oh, not do anything. Okay, you should do as much as it is favorable for your bhakti. Okay, if your body is only good if you take prasad 3 times a day, okay, then take prasad 3 days. But if your body is also going nicely, if you just take prasad 1 time in a day, you can do that. Who will prohibit you? No one. But the bhakti in Kali Yuga depends on the nam, this thing. And how to chant the holy names? Without criticizing others and speaking about others and then others. What is necessary? You just go in Facebook and speak about others and do the Bhagavad Bhajan with this time. That was Mahaprabhu. He taught this to the jivas of this world. He shaved his head because of his brother. And we came in this line of Mahaprabhu, and today also we, remembering this, today we also shave. And after 2 months, after the end of Kartik, also after 2 months, yes. Actually, it should be 4 months, he's saying. But actually, it was much of Vishwarupa to us. After 2 months, since morning is giving so much trouble, these beards, long beards. Are you studying well? How is everything in your studies?
अच्छा आरती कर लो 2 बज गए ना हम तो जाना
2 p.m. we have to go.
बोलो वृंदावन यार बोलो विश्वरूप खंडराज की जय विश्व सन्यास की जय जय श्री राम बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल